घंटे से चले।
जितने आसपास वाले ऑफिस वाले हैं, दे आर शेयरिंग देयर कार्स।
मैं अभी हफ्ते में 2 दिन कार बंद कर दी है बिल्कुल मैंने।
इतना ट्रैफिक भी नहीं है, मैं डॉक्टर के पास से आ रही हूँ। दैट इज मच यूजफुल।
आप सपोर्ट करते हैं ऑड इवन को?
बिल्कुल आप सपोर्ट करते हैं।
Something else to be done, not this is not the pollution.
The major issues have not been touched at all.
रोड पर गाड़ी तो कम है, रेड लाइट सभी खाली है।
All right, good evening. We are joining you from Rajiv Chowk, the metro station. We have Somnath Bharti from the Aam Aadmi Party. The big question that we are addressing is, has Delhi been able to survive the Monday test? But what we are going to do, right now we have word coming in from our producers that there's a news break. All right, good evening. We come to you from Rajiv Chowk. The reason that we do this is, the reason why there's a special broadcast today is because there was a lot of talk. Will Delhi be able to survive the Monday test when it comes to the odd and even plan? Well, the Aam Aadmi Party government, just about half an hour ago, has already given the thumbs up sign saying that they've survived the test. What we are also going to do is, and I'll ask my producers to put out a Twitter poll that we'd be doing every day at India Today. We'd be giving out the results at 6 p.m. The question we'd asked our viewers on Twitter was that will Delhi survive the Monday test? Well, those are the answers. It's quite close right now. You still have about 20 minutes to log on and give your opinion. So I believe our producers tell me 48% people say yes, 52 say no. So it's even. Neil, right now we have Somnath Bharti with me, who's joining me outside Vijay Chowk. Something which caused a furor a short while back, especially with people who were travelling by metro, were pictures which were circulated of near stampede situations at Rajiv Chowk metro station. Well, that's not true. Those pictures were old. The DMRC was quick to say that those pictures were from October 2015. Somnath, Mr. Bharti, quickly. Is it a little too quick to give Delhi the clean sheet to say that Delhi has already passed the test where the odd and even plan is concerned?
So we all were waiting for Monday test.
Right.
And because of that hype and that rumor which was there that Rajiv Chowk has a stampede,
Right.
I myself took metro to come. From Malvinagar I've taken metro to come here.
So you've just alighted at the Rajiv
That's
Chowk
right, just
metro
now.
station.
Just
yes.
now, just now. And I witnessed that there were people in the coach, the people on the platforms, they were all appreciating the entire scheme of the government. At the same time, there have been 2 yardsticks.
Right.
Two yardsticks. One was that are there traffic jams in Delhi or not?
Right.
So that many members of my society and my colony and the people on the road,
Right.
they all have said that they have traveled the distances which used to be taking earlier an hour. That has taken 20 minutes,
Right.
30 minutes kind of. So that test has absolutely been very enthusiastic. We all have.
But are we already popping, opening the bubbly already? Or you should just wait and watch for the next few days?
Of course, we will surely be waiting and watching. But then what I'm saying that this hype and this rumor, the Delhiites will not accept it. So I want to congratulate people of Delhi for having accepted this formula, for making this formula success.
Right.
So the congratulations is all to people of Delhi.
All right, so you think it's active citizenship which has won the day. We're going to come. So we have a lot of citizens here who want to pose questions to Mr. Somnath Bharti, and understandably. So there are a lot of questions at this point of time. Point number 1, it was, the means to an end was to curb pollution. Has pollution actually abated in the last couple of days? Want to cut across to Ankit Tyagi, joining me from ITO right now. Ankit, that press conference that you attended a short while back goes on to suggest that not much has changed in pollution levels. But I must tell you, Ankit, traffic-wise, I have to put my hands up that I'm quite happy. It took me just about 30 minutes from Noida to come all the way to Connaught Place.
Well, Somnath Bharti is also there with you, and let me quote what the Minister of Transport in fact said, that the logical conclusion would be that if the traffic is less and the congestion is less, it is going to decrease the pollution. But Preeti, if you look at it holistically, it will take some time before a comparative study can be made. As of now, the meters, there is one meter about half a kilometer from where I'm standing, and that suggests that the pollution level is still at severe. There can be weather problems because of that. There is smog, but overall, as you very rightly pointed out, I'll just quickly move away from the frame, show you this is ITO. This is ITO where people could not even move freely. There is a campaign of the Delhi government going on, advertisement going on, and look at this. It almost seems smooth traffic at ITO, which is one of the most congested areas as far as the Delhi roads are concerned. And earlier in the morning today, Preeti, I in fact caught up with the Deputy Chief Minister and along with him on a bicycle, because it was even day today and Manish Sisodia has an odd car. I went on with him from his residence to the Secretariat where he works to find out what are the challenges in front of the Delhi government with the odd and even scheme. दिस जर्नी मनीष, जो डाउट्स हैं लोगों के उसके बारे में भी थोड़ी मनीष से बात करेंगे. मनीष, थैंक यू सो मच फॉर स्पीकिंग टू इंडिया टुडे. मेरा पहला सवाल आपसे ये बताइए कि साइकिल से आप तो जा रहे हैं, इससे आपको लगता है कि एग्जाम्पल सेट होगा और लोग बाहर निकलेंगे?
नहीं, एग्जाम्पल सेट होने से ज़्यादा ये मेरा एक विकल्प है. एग्जाम्पल सेट होना हो, दूसरे लोग निकले ना निकलें, लेकिन अगर मुझे अपने घर से ऑफिस जाने के लिए एक विकल्प चाहिए. हाँ. मेरी गाड़ी का नंबर ऑड है जी, और इवन नंबर पर मैं कैसे जाऊं? हाँ. तो मेरे लिए सबसे बढ़िया ऑप्शन है साइकिल से जाना. हाँ. तो ये मेरा विकल्प है.
अच्छा, ये बताइए कि आपके पास ऑड नंबर की गाड़ी है, आज इवेंट डे है, आप तो साइकिल से जा पा रहे हैं क्योंकि आपका ऑफिस पास है. ऐसे और लोग, कितने लोग जो चाहते हैं साइकिलिंग करें, दिल्ली सरकार ने कुछ उन लोगों के लिए भी इंतजाम करें?
मैं अभी परसों जब गया था साइकिल से जी, तो करीब 16 किलोमीटर गया था जी, और आई थिंक 15-16 किलोमीटर में तो अच्छा खासा रेंज पड़ता है. हाँ. मैं पहले ऑल इंडिया रेडियो गया था, वहाँ से फिर अपने सचिवालय गया था. हाँ. तो एक सुबह में मैंने 16 किलोमीटर साइकिल चलाई थी. हाँ. तो आई थिंक कर सकते हैं लोग, 10-15 किलोमीटर साइकिल चला के तो जाया जा सकता है.
आप उस दिन सड़क पर निकले, लोगों से आपने बात करी. बात करने के बाद मुझे ये बताइए कि आपने जिस तरीके से जो इंटरेक्शन जो आपका लोगों से रहा, किस तरह के डाउट्स लोगों के जहन में रहे?
लोग तो तारीफ कर रहे हैं हर जगह जी. लोग कह रहे हैं भाई बहुत बढ़िया आपका ये फार्मूला है जी, ऑड इवन फार्मूला. असली चीज़ अभी पॉल्यूशन के रिजल्ट्स तो बाद में आएंगे सामने. हाँ. सबसे ज़्यादा रिजल्ट्स जिस चीज़ के सामने आ रहे हैं, हाँ, वो है ट्रैफिक. अच्छा. लोगों को लग रहा है कि ट्रैफिक तो वाकई कम हुआ है. हाँ. तो ये सड़कों पे ट्रैफिक कम होना एक बहुत बड़ी उपलब्धि है. हाँ. उसके बाद अगर वो पॉल्यूशन डाउन जाएगा, हाँ, तो ये उसका मेन टारगेट पॉल्यूशन डाउन करना था.
तो मनीष सिसोदिया साथ साथ ये भी देखते चल रहे हैं कि कौन सी गाड़ी चल रही है, कौन सी इवन नंबर की है, ऑड नंबर की है. खैर, इससे आपको ये अंदाज़ा भी लग जाएगा कि कितने लोग बाहर निकल के आपकी बात मान रहे हैं.
देखिए, लगातार 3-4 गाड़ियाँ अभी देखी मैंने. हाँ. इवन नंबर की हैं. हाँ. और भी देख सकते हैं, ये तो टैक्सी है जी. दूसरी तरफ जो गाड़ियाँ दिखाई दे रही हैं सड़क के, वो भी मैं देख रहा हूँ कि इवन नंबर की गाड़ियाँ ज़्यादा हैं. हाँ. आई थिंक 10 गाड़ियाँ 15 गाड़ियाँ यहाँ खड़ी हैं, और आप सब देखिए लगभग हाँ, अभी इन तमाम गाड़ियों में जितनी खड़ी हैं जी, मुझे एक भी ऑड नंबर की गाड़ी दिखाई नहीं दे रही है. सो दैट्स अ बिग थिंग.
You know, Preeti, Somnath Bharti is also there. Let me tell you a secret. The cycle, the green cycle that Manish Sisodia was riding is not his. He, in fact, borrowed it from his son, and that is the cycle that he's using these days.
All right, Ankit, you just showed us what ITO looks like. Vishal, my camera person, with great amount of difficulty because there's so much crowd here, is trying to get you a glimpse on what the inner circle of Connaught Place looks like at a little over 6 p.m. So these visuals coming to you live a little over 6 p.m. and most office goers here are fairly shocked because the inner circle is usually packed with traffic. I'll ask Vishal to maybe come back right to us, because a lot of people here, Ankit, who have questions that they want to ask the Aam Aadmi Party, representing the Aam Aadmi Party, Mr. Somnath Bharti. Sir, क्या है आपके क्या सवाल?
I am Lakshmi Narayan Kumar. I am the author of the book Inspiring Leadership and Management.
क्या सवाल है?
My question is, they have to, though it is one of the, there are 99 more steps also. But first step, they should have built up infrastructure. They should have increased buses, public transport system, because they have not increased public transport. For the last 1 year, we are hearing that they are increasing buses. Buses, they are not introduced. Temporary buses they have introduced. What is the use of temporary buses? They should continue forever. And then you see the inconvenience of the middle class also. One my friend, Dr. Tulli, professor, he is having a driver. Now he is 15 days, he can't have 2 drivers. He can't have two drivers. He said today. He said once our party has come.
Yes, understood. All right.
People will buy more cars.
Understood, sir.
People will, please.
Okay.
People will buy more cars. And then another thing is that traffic and parking management. Inside the colonies, people are occupying the 2/3 of the road. 1/3 is.
That's the second step. All right, Mr. Bharti, nobody is taking away that it's a noble concept, and nothing else stands, stronger testimony to that, but the fact that people have actually gone and are looking to implement, the rule that you've passed. The question I want to ask you is, the infrastructure is stacked. Look at what's happening at Rajiv Chowk right now. Look at these people, the middle class who actually, most of them look at the public transport, like the buses, the metros, all of that is taxed in the bargain. So what's the plan ahead? Because this can't, this is the means to an end, but the means are, throwing up a bit of a problem.
So that is why, in fact, when Honorable Chief Minister had announced it, he had clearly stated that this is one of the measures. For 15 days, we'll be witnessing what all goes wrong, what all goes right. We'll learn the lessons, and surely the perfect solution to this huge problem of Delhi being polluted is only public transport to be strengthened.
Right.
That is surely has to be done. Today we had 7,000 buses on roads.
Right.
Today, I think fairly, if I don't want to be very happy about it, but then there were not many problems which were reported to us. And I myself have witnessed the traffic on the road. I myself have today, came by metro. Things are positive. Things are not negative. The hype which was created this will fail has failed. That hype has failed. People who wanted to fail this, they have failed.
Right.
And I love people of Delhi the way they have embraced this whole idea.
I understand.
Credit goes to them. And there are many more lessons we are learning gradually.
It's a live and learn.
Of course, and we are going to be augmenting this public transport by more buses, by more metro coaches.
Right.
And this is a learning process, and this is a continuous process.
All right. Somebody has in traffic. What is your question?
देखिए मेरा एक क्वेश्चन है कि ये जो पैदल के लोग हैं, हम लोगों के पास यदि गाड़ी नहीं है, यहाँ पे बहुत सारे लोग होंगे जिनके पास कार नहीं है, वो लोग कहाँ जाएं? यहाँ पे मोस्टली ये होता है कि जो फुटपाथ बनता है वो पैदल चलने वालों के लिए बनता है. गाड़ी वाले लोग गाड़ी चलाते हैं, फुटपाथ पे लोग.
आपका ऑड एंड इवन से क्या सवाल है?
मेरा ऑड एंड इवन से यही सवाल है कि ये जो रूल है अभी भी फॉलो नहीं हो रहा है. कल मैंने करोल बाग में देखा था, परसों मैंने झंडेवालान में देखा था, वहाँ पे ये रूल बिल्कुल भी फॉलो नहीं हो रहा है. बहुत से ऐसे एरिया हैं जो मैंने नहीं देखे हैं, बट ये रूल कैसे फॉलो होगा, कैसे इम्प्लीमेंट हायर तरीके से होगा,
ये तो अब हम देख रहे हैं. क्या सवाल है आपका?
मेरा सवाल ये है कि जो सीएनजी की कैपेसिटी है वो पंप पर पूरा प्रेशर ना होने के कारण उसको कब कंप्लीट किया जाएगा, क्योंकि सीएनजी की डिमांड जिस तरह से बढ़ रही है.
So there is so much else which needs to be done. So these are all right.
These gaps have surely have to be filled, and there is no second thought about it. We're all identifying the problems, we're all identifying the gaps, and the government is geared up absolutely to fill those gaps.
Well, there are a few questions as well. There's another question which is of course doing the rounds. We're going to come to you. We're going to come all right to you. All right, a lot of questions. People getting really agitated here. What we are going to do is we're going to slip into a quick break, but we leave you with the debate which is happening as much standing here on the roads of the national capital like it's happening online on Twitter. Some of the tweets that made news today. Coming right back to Rajiv Chowk. You're with us from Rajiv Chowk. Today we put out a question on Twitter where we asked the people of the national capital whether or not the Monday had worked where the odd and even plan is concerned. And the kind of reactions that we got, and a lot of it which came on that end was, there seemed to be a little fight that has broken out, people wanting to ask a lot of questions. Before we're going to stop that out, but what we will do is we'll connect to Anand right now, who's inside the Rajiv Chowk metro station, and he's going to give us the latest update from there on how crowded exactly is the metro station. Anand, will you give us a quick update?
Well, inside, here inside the tube, there is a decent amount of rush inside, but to be fair to the Delhi government,
All right, we seem to have lost Anando. I believe he's in the metro station. It's quite crowded. What we will do is, the odd and even plan has created a huge divide, especially where the two-wheelers and where the car owners are concerned. Primarily so, the reason being because the car owners feel that Aam Aadmi Party is playing politics, pandering to vote bank, to his core constituency of the Aam Aadmi by not exempting two-wheelers. Let's take a look at this news report, and we are back with Somnath Bharti, and we'll sort out the chaos that has ensued here.
The Delhi High Court has asked for a clarification from the Delhi government on the exemption given to women and two-wheelers. On the issue of women, Delhiites are one with the decision on security grounds. But what irks the Delhi car driver is the two-wheeler exemptions. For them, it smacks of vote bank politics, an attempt to appease the real middle class Aam Aadmi.
आम आदमी पार्टी है, आम आदमी लोग तो ज़्यादातर टू व्हीलर से ही चलते हैं। वैसे हम लोग भी आम आदमी, हमारे पास भी टू व्हीलर्स है, लेकिन एग्जेम्पशन वाज नॉट नेसेसरी आई सपोज, क्योंकि सबके लिए एक बराबर रूल होना चाहिए।
It is absolutely right. If they'll they don't exempt the two-wheelers, then we guys would be in hell of a trouble, man. Very much in trouble. So we guys won't expect anything like that to happen.
जो हमने टू व्हीलर्स को इसमें बिल्कुल शामिल नहीं किया है, उससे एक उम्मीद कम है कि उतना बड़ा इफेक्ट जो हो सकता था कि टू व्हीलर्स हटाने के बाद भी होता, आदि करने के बाद वो इफेक्ट कम रह गया।
Lack of public transport has been the reason given for exemption to two-wheelers by the Aam Aadmi Party.
इसमें केवल कार्स को अभी शुरू कर रहे हैं, कार्स पे ये लागू है। शुरू करते वक्त अभी इसमें टू व्हीलर्स नहीं है।
However, on the roads, this exemption seems rather odd.
So logistically, just figure-wise, there are more two-wheelers on the roads than cars. Somewhere down the line, whether it's vote bank politics or not, or whatever it might be, the grouse that car owners have against their friends on two-wheelers, somewhere down the line stands, because they feel they are compensating for the two-wheelers that are exempted. With camera person Ankur Arora, Preeti Chaudhary in Delhi for India Today.
All right, we're having a bit of a crowd control situation, so we're not going to take any more questions. But the question that we'd like to put forth, and that's what most Delhiites are asking, is, somewhere down the line by exempting two-wheelers. Somnath, let's look at it. Let's just look at logistics. 2/3 of all the registered vehicles, automobiles, are two-wheelers, right? So out of 90 lakh, which is the current, figure of automobiles, 60 lakhs are two-wheelers. Why exempt them?
See, this exemption is, the entire formula is not to punish anybody. It's not a punitive thing. It is participative approach. So first we tried out to make it work on four-wheelers. Next would be two-wheelers. So what I'm saying...
So it's not your core constituency, so you're giving them a softer hand?
Not at all. Because see, the two-wheelers are usually used by the poor people. All right? They may have trouble, possibly more than the four-wheelers owners. What I'm saying, this formula is absolutely targeted to make Delhi pollution free. We're going step by step. Like for example, we exempted women also. Women, single women driving the cars.
Right.
So their security was a bigger issue for us.
Okay.
Like the people who are ill, who are sick, they need to be taken to hospital. That was a concern to us.
Okay.
So we tried to have a subset of the entire vehicles in Delhi, which could afford to have this restriction.
Okay.
So this is succeeding. Monday test we have all passed.
You think we passed
it? We have passed the test, but the inconvenience which has been caused to people. And second thing, most importantly, a lot of people today have taken this public transport. Okay, metro has been used. Our dignity has been attached to the public transport. A lot of rich people, a lot of...
You're saying it's a leveler. The odd and even plan, it's a leveler.
Leveler
okay.
also, yeah.
All right, so the reason why we are beaming this bulletin live from Rajiv Chowk from the national capital, the reason why we are putting it up on the national channel, because this involves only Delhi. Because despite of all that's wrong with Delhi, if this plan actually succeeds here, then, well, that's a lesson to learn for a lot of other cities, because tomorrow it could be you standing right here and asking these questions. We're going to continue tracking the odd and even plan and the successes and the failures of it through the course of the next 2 weeks. With that, we're going to wrap up this edition of news, but what we will do is we're going to give you the results of our poll. The question that India Today asked today morning was, did Delhi survive the Monday test? Well, The results are up there, and it's an odd and even result that we've got with yes. 48%. That's what my producers tell us. 48% people say yes, that Delhi did survive the Monday, that real test, the biggest trial, and it was trial by fire, is what they were saying, and 52% said no, it did not. So it's close. We're going to keep asking you questions through the course of the next 2 days. We're going to go into a quick break. Up next, news and updates continue. The latest coming in from South India with my colleague T.S. Sudhir. We're going to continue taking questions from our viewers as well through the course of the next 2 weeks. Thank you for joining us. Thank you, Mr. Bharti.
It's been 40 hours and counting. 2 terrorists. Now, what sources are telling India today? They are in a densely wooded area and they're firing single shots.